Hi, this is Amy from Crochet Jewel Channel. I'm going to show you how to make this crochet Easter bunny egg. I used an F hook medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below, and I will have a Easter playlist down below if you'd like to take a look at that. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to create a magic circle and slip stitch into it and then work 6 single crochet into this magic circle. If this is your first time, there is a link on how to do magic circles. So grab that yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a single crochet, and then I did it for a total of 6 single crochet. Now pull it close, and then you're going to slip stitch into it. Then chain 1, and you should have 6 altogether, and then you're going to work 2 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 12 altogether. Slip stitch to join, and then I'm going to use my tail for a stitch marker, or you can use a stitch marker. Single crochet, and then work 2 single crochet in the next stitch and repeat that around for the pattern. So it's 1 and then 2 and then 1 and 2 until you get to the beginning. You're adding 6 more stitches every row for every round. Okay, in this round I'm going to slip stitch, chain 1, single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work an increase of 2, and then you're going to repeat that around 1 in the next 2 stitches and then 2 increase until you get to the beginning. So 1, 1, and then 2. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch and then work a chain 1 and 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 4 rounds. Okay, I'm going to single crochet in continual rounds. So instead of slip stitching there, I'm just working a single crochet, and so that is for a total of 4 rounds. Okay, I'm going to slip stitch here, insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull through, and then I'm going to pull my white color of yarn through for the next step, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then 2 single crochet together. Grab the yarn, go into the next stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through the 3 loops for 2 single crochet together, and then work 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and then 2 single crochet together, and that is the pattern. It's 1, 1, and then 2 together, and repeat that until you get to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch. In continual rounds, I'm going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 4 rounds. So just all single crochet for 4 more rounds after this with the white yarn. Now I'm going to work 1 single crochet and then I'm going to work 2 single crochet together. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, and then grab the yarn and pull through 3 loops And at this point you can stuff your egg with stuffing or the filler, or you can even stuff it with white yarn. And then you're just going to repeat that until you get to the beginning. And then I'm just going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So this round is just all single crochet until you get to the beginning, continual rounds. And then to close it, I'm going to work 2 single crochet together. And I had already stuffed it. If you have eyes, you can add them on if you have backings to your eyes. So this is 2 single crochet together in each stitch for about around 6 times or until it closes, and then you can use your yarn needle and sew it closed on the top. Now you're going to take your yarn needle and your yarn and then just sew it a few times on the top to close that space, that opening. Now you're going to make 2 ears with an F hook and chain 5. Single crochet in the second chain from the hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and single crochet until you get to the end. And then at the end you're going to work 3 single crochet and do not turn, and then work on the opposite side. And then single crochet in the remaining 3 stitches. And then slip stitch. And pull through, and then you can attach these ears on top of the egg. Okay, I'm going to sew the ears on top side by side with my yarn needle. Then I'm going to take a yarn needle and thread and sew on a nose and a little mouth. And these 2 eyes are plastic eyes that I got from Amazon. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's finished. I hope you enjoyed this crochet Easter bunny tutorial, and take a look at the Easter playlist down below if you'd like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.